In this video, I will be showing you how to delete your YouTube search and watch history step by step. Let's get started. First, I open my web browser and click on the search bar. I type in YouTube and press enter to search. In the Google search results, I click on the primary YouTube link to open the official YouTube website. Once YouTube finishes loading, a notification prompt appears near the top left corner asking for permission to show notifications. I click Allow to continue. Next, I look over at the left-hand navigation sidebar menu. I scroll down slightly and click on the History tab. This takes me directly to my YouTube Watch History page, where all my recently watched videos are listed. On the right side of the History page under the Manage All History section, I click on Manage All History. This opens up a new tab directing me to the Google My Activity page for YouTube history. Here, I can see my full activity log. I click on the Delete drop-down button located just above my activity list. From the menu options that pop up, I select Delete All Time. A confirmation pop-up window appears asking if I want to delete the listed activity permanently. I scroll down through the preview of the videos to review them, and then I click the blue Delete button in the bottom right corner of the window. A Deletion Complete notice appears confirming that the selected activity has been permanently deleted from my account. I click the blue Got It button at the bottom to close the confirmation window. Finally, I switch back to the original YouTube History tab in my browser and refresh the page. As you can see, the Watch History page now displays. This list has no videos, indicating that the entire history has been successfully cleared. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.